Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarsicles TV. You got me, Mark. Welcome to the September month's Christmas season here in the Philippines, and it's warm. Supposedly rainy season, but it's good. I'm not complaining. I'd rather have this weather right now than to experience the flood, which is very frequent here, especially during season, of course. Anyway, we have a recommendation from Apollo Creed. It's actually a special recommendation because aside from specifying the artist and the song they'll be performing, which is Gigi Vibes, uh, comprising Gigi Delana, John, Elliot, Jake, and Romeo. They'll be performing the song originally performed by Rosel Nava entitled Bakit Nga Ba Kita Mahal. Uh, Bakit is why, Mahal Kita is love you. So bakit nga ba it's like the person is asking herself or himself, why do I love you again? Something like that. Along along with that recommendation is a favor he asked that is for yours truly to translate into English what they were saying from 421 onward. So the video is 504, so that's about a little over 30 minutes of, I would assume, Filipino conversation. There is closed caption, which will also be helpful because we can actually pause and see and confirm what was being said. Before we give it a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyo. You want to up push? Up? Okay, ready? Okay. We have a special guest. This is Posh from Posh and Warm, the Posh and Warm channel. He she just woke up, so she's giving me morning kisses. Morning, mm. Morning, sweetheart. Okay, Daddy will work now. We will listen to the song. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's face the camera sideways na lang, baby. Sit down, sweetheart. Okay. And without any further delays, let's give this song a go. In three, two, one.
Parang pusang tao eh.
Paano ang umpisa nito? Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko. Nako, mahal, ito pa rin ako. Nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit na may mahal ka ng iba. Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba?
Yapa?
Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko, di mo man ako mahal, ito pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit na may mahal ka lang iba, ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba
Grabe.
mahal
Okay na, okay na. Taas ng boses.
Bakit nga ba mahal? Kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko, di mo man ako mahal, ito pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita?
You're a great singer.
Kahit na may mahal ka lang iba, ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga
Iba.
Iba. A round of applause.
So that is the end of what I would say a jamming session, and you can see that it's not the entirety of the song. So they basically played the chorus over and over, but every time they play it, every after the chorus, they will like move up one note higher. You can see that around 1 minute even at 1 minute 45, the bassist was signaling who I believe is the keyboardist, meaning to go higher. And of course, the keyboardist will then, after the line, "O bakit nga ba mahal kita?" And then he does the jeng 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 jeng, like the start of the, like as if it's the start of the chorus again, but it's on a higher note. And yeah, they were having fun, but nevertheless, yeah, Gigi was able to pull it off every time. So yeah, very cool to hear and see. I think she can even go even further. I just don't know up to when. Probably makes me curious now. Like up until how many notes higher than her standard her usual singing voice can she actually reach? Now, at 4 minutes 21, Apollo would like us to translate the conversation that would follow. I'm assuming, or of course, it's in Filipino. So, closed caption is still on so that we can easily read as well if in case we overhear or we do not hear the certain parts. So, let's give it a go.
A round of applause for Gigi Delana.
Grabe, taas nun na.
Grabe ang taas no na. It's grabe is like an expression like wow. Ang taas, taas means high. Non that. So when say that, they're probably referring to the song they just played with her singing those high notes. So like wow, that's high, huh? Yeah, something. And then let's go.
A round of
Nakakatakot
applause.
palang biruin to eh.
Nakakatakot pala biruin to eh. Nakakatakot is scary. Biruin is to kid someone or to joke someone, to crack a joke on someone or to prank someone. So they're saying biruin can also be referred to as to challenge. So in this particular video, so they're saying Gigi is scary to kid around or to challenge. And probably the challenge here is for her to sing the chorus as they go higher. So yeah, let's go to the next slide.
Let's standing ovation.
Pumapatol.
Let's standing up.
Pumapatol is like for example when someone is teasing you. So when you tease them back, or when someone hits you and then you hit them back, that means you made patol to that person. So you like indulge to the emotion or something. So referring to Gigi, so when she was challenged, so she made patol to that challenge.
Standing ovation. And let's sit down ovation.
Ang galing mo.
Yes.
Isa kang dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim,
Pito,
pito.
walo, siyam.
So ang galing mo, galing is good or great. So you're good. And then they were counting from 1 to 10. I don't know why.
Malupit kang bata ka.
Malupit means mean. So, bata is kid or child. So they were saying you're a mean child. Like mean being like being very badass at singing.
Pwede kita ipasok sa ABS.
Pwede kita ipasok sa ABS. Pwede is can. Pasok is to bring inside, and then ABS, referring to ABS-CBN, a TV channel.
Wala ka mo, walang niya kayo.
Oy, shout out.
Walang ya kayo. Walang ya is wala is none. Ya is shame. And then kayo is you guys. So because they were like teasing her and praising her all at the same time. So you guys have no shame. So it's just a funny expression in this particular context.
Sa ating kaibigan na si Hayne Gray.
Wala kang plano kumanta bukas ah.
Ano ba to?
Mukhang wala kang planong kumanta bukas ah. So looks like wala ka, you don't have plans kumanta to sing bukas tomorrow. Because of her singing those high notes. You know, usually when you sing high, you lose your voice the next day, or when you drink cold water, right? So they were saying you don't have any plans. Looks like you don't have any plans to sing tomorrow. And then someone said earlier, ipapasok kita sa ABS, tapos ilalabas din kita. Ilalabas is to take outside. So probably literally to bring him inside, as in the compound or the office, and then to bring her outside, like to step out.
Pasok lang kita, ilalabas din kita ulit sa
Hayne Gray Melendres Berba.
Halika. Oh, labas na tayo.
Watching from Palawan
And live
po
stream.
habang nagla-live selling ate ko.
And there you have it. That's my reaction. Let me know, and translation. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, these are the stuff you can do to show loving to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Star Schools TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.